Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the facts. Access UEFI firmware now and check secure boot status and firmware version. Make sure you have administrator rights and a recovery USB. This prevents lockouts if something goes wrong. Once done, document current settings with photos or screenshots so you can restore them if needed. Next, locate the secure boot option. Don't change it yet. The goal here is to prepare a reversible plan. You will act carefully and deliberately to avoid corrupting boot configuration. You now perform the core fixes, boot into UEFI, and if a third-party driver caused the violation, disable secure boot temporarily so the system can boot. Next, make the why clear. Mismatched keys trigger rejection, so import the platform keys provided by your vendor or restore factory keys to re-establish trust. If you must use custom keys, enroll them deliberately and only for known signers. This step is sensitive, so confirm signatures and timestamps before proceeding to avoid repeating the violation. You finish by re-enabling Secure Boot and rebooting to verify the fix. Perform the test twice to ensure stability. If the violation returns, boot from your recovery USB and restore the settings you recorded earlier, then inspect UEFI logs for key store errors. Make sure to check for PK, KEK, and DB mismatches and capture offending file hashes so you can revoke or re-sign them properly. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, revert to factory keys and consult vendor support with those hashes ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.